Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making coconut pasta that you and your family will love. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. First, I'm going to pan fry my chicken thighs, and for that I will add my coconut oil in my pan and allow it to heat up. Next, I will drop my marinated chicken and allow it to pan fry for 5 to 7 minutes on both sides. I'm going to flip it and allow the other side to fry. Once that is done, I will take it out from the oil and set it aside for later use. Over here is my boiling water, which I have added salt. Next, I will transfer the pasta into the boiling water and cook according to package instruction. I will give it a good stir so that it doesn't stick together and allow it to cook. In the same oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, garlic and my fresh parsley. Very important when making pasta because it adds beautiful flavor in your pasta recipe. I will stir to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add my blended peppers and I will season with seasoning cubes and black pepper. I will give it a good mix and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add the chicken as well as my coconut milk. I will mix to combine and taste for salt, and I needed more salt. Instead of salt, I added all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. At this time, the chicken has absorbed the sauce very well. Next, I will take it out of the sauce. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I will add my cooked pasta. I will give it a good mix and transfer the chicken back to the pasta, and we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.